Hey mummies, ever felt like your baby is already bored of same khichdi, dal, mashed vegetables every single day? So here is a quick recipe make even on your busiest day. Super creamy rice and dates kheer for your little one. Start with some cooked soft rice. Add 1 to 2 soft dates. Mash it all together. In a pan, take a cup of milk and a cup of water to keep it light and easy to digest. Now add mashed rice. Let everything cook on low flame for a few minutes till it turns creamy and slightly thick. Adding 1 teaspoon nuts powder along with some kesar. And that's it. Perfect for those days when you want to serve something different but don't have enough time. Because let's be real, keeping babies interested in is a full-time job. Save this for later. Try it today, mom. Thank you. Follow me for more such recipes.